Hello guys, it's time to announce the winners of our free prize draw. Those of you who have seen my Christmas message will know that to celebrate us passing 10,000 subscribers, I've decided to give away 10 free copies of this unique t-shirt. It's an exact copy of the one that you've seen me wear in many of our previous videos. All you had to do in order to win one of these t-shirts was to give me a thumbs up and to comment on that video. So what I've done is I've taken all of the names from the people who commented on that video, I've written them all down in an Excel spreadsheet, printed them off, cut them up into little pieces, and all of the names are now inside this hat. So all that remains now is for us to pull 10 names out of this hat and reveal the lucky winners. So here we go. Good luck. The first name out of the hat is Gary Thomson Joinery. Second name out of the hat, Barry Cook. Third winner, Gary Hunt. Fourth winner, LayneXIII. Fifth winner, Samwell Tayrlor. Sixth winner, Harley Wood. Seventh winner, Praet. Eighth person, Nell Brown. The ninth winner, Flashback. And the last lucky winner, Sharpey's Workshop. So congratulations to those 10 people. You've won yourself a free copy of my unique t-shirt. All you have to do is just contact me on this email address that you'll see at the bottom of this video and just give me your contact details. Give me a postal address where I can send you the t-shirt and I'll make sure they're on their way to you as soon as I can. Don't despair if you haven't won a t-shirt and really wanted one, because I've teamed up with a company called RedBubble.com. They've taken my design and they've printed a whole range of different merchandise. So if you'd like to own your own t-shirt, at the top of my homepage you'll see a link to redbubble.com. I'll also put a link in the description below and you can visit that site and purchase your own t-shirt. We've got loads of videos planned for the new year. We're going to be continuing the build of the Sprinter van conversion in great detail. There'll be a lot of videos coming in that series. I'm also going to be continuing with the SketchUp videos. I've had some brilliant comments on those and there'll be plenty more of those for people who are trying to learn 3D software. And I'd also like to get back into the workshop and do some more woodworking projects, especially for those of you that have been with me since the start of this channel. Make sure that you're subscribed. Click the little bell symbol so every time I upload a new video you'll get a notification. And it just remains for me to say thank you very much for watching. Cheers!